This video is going to show you how to find your grades so that you can fix all of your missing assignments. On the screen, you can see that this is the Schoology button. I'm in a student's account right now, so this should be what yours looks like. Schoology, and wait. Go to whichever class it is you want to see what's missing. Mine, Language Arts. Once you get inside Language Arts, you're going to click over here on the left, Grades. Once you click the Grades link, you will see a screen that looks like this. We are in quarter 2, which is what this says. Underneath quarter 2 is a list of every assignment. If the assignment has been done, there is a grade next to it. Many of the assignments I have put in comments, whether you did something right, you did something wrong. If it has a dash, as this one does, that assignment has not been completed yet. There are participation grades, there is classwork grades, and at the very bottom there are quiz grades. You are looking for any assignment that has a dash. A dash means it has not been completed. We are not worried about quarter 3, quarter 4, or whatever is down here at the bottom. Each one of these assignments is a blue link, and if you click on it, it will take you directly to the assignment. Many of you have most of your assignments missing. You have about 16 days, and that includes weekends, to get all of the assignments completed before the end of the 9 weeks. I hope this video helps, and if you have any other questions, send me a message.